You're going to go to hyperdrive. Yes. Check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Hyperdrive is llegando down right if you. Good. Airspeed sensor. Thank you, Lieutenant. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report.
Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on recruits. More ships. Launch. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Gras.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of...
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake it, Blue.
I'm trying,
We lost Blue 5. I'm going to try to draw them away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from?
They're quickly out there.
Star Destroyers.
Get out of there.
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll go get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves. Prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Is now under command of the First Order. You will disembark and proceed down the corridor to your right to processing and interrogation. Did I not make myself clear? Out. Disembark.
They're not moving. Did they do move or let's move everything again?
They step on the quick gun that usually slides. The style was confused that way. They take the style. See them dollies like
I know. It's cool. It's really good.
you know how this is going to end.
I know this is based on
Good guys.
the ones.
There we go. New Republic.
Single unit. Single unit going once. Single unit going twice. And I no longer care. How many there? 4. How many behind? How many behind? Let's go. 4 and 2. We'll be single file along this center line down to the next loop. How many there? Wait, you're single file. Blue and red, go. Silver notes, go away.
Alright, both lines, let's go, follow me.
Stay in your lines, little one. Straight down that way.
Alright, how many here?
4.
4, stand on red. Silver and orange, follow them in. This will be a test to see if you remember your colors correctly.
leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Ho's coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Ben will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, they're both of the prisoners.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention to level D. Take cover, recruits! If anyone's back in the blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod's just below us! Wait, why are you going up? I said down! Up is bad! Up is real bad!
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Personnel, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. The destroyer's aback.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, scan for his pod beacon.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.